How to fix unusual activity has been detected from your device in ChatGPT. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix unusual activity has been detected from your device in ChatGPT. So sometimes we face the problem that unusual activity has been detected from your device in ChatGPT while using the ChatGPT. So first of all, the first solution is you can just simply click on log out and re-log in to your account, and most of the time that solves the problem. And if that doesn't work with you, you just simply can go to the three dot of your Chrome extension, Chrome web browser, and then click on the new incognito mode and then search for ChatGPT and then log into your account from here, and you can see if it works fine, perfectly fine. And if this method also not works with you, then the last option to fix the issue is you just have to click on the three dot from your Chrome web browser, and then you just have to simply click on the extensions from here. You just have to click on manage extensions, and then you just have to disable all extension you have running on your web browser, and then you just refresh your chat GPT, and then you can browse or ask anything to the chat GPT, and this will definitely solve the issue. So let me know which solution worked with you in the comment section, and see you in the next video, guys.